Thomas and Friends. Thomas and the Really Brave Engines. 2006 VHS. Here's the front, the spine, the other spine, the top, and the back. The episodes are Thomas and the Search for Fergus, Bad Day at Castle Rock, Toby and the Windmill, The Runaway Elephant, James and the Queen of Soda, and Oliver the Snow Engine. Sonny and his troublesome trucks. FBI warning. Anchor Bay Entertainment. Hits Entertainment. Brit Oddcrot presents Thomas and Friends. Based on the railway series by E.T. White. Written by Brit Oddcrot. Storyteller by Michael Brendan. By David Hasselman.
The island of Sodor is surrounded by beautiful blue sea. It has fields of green and sandy yellow beaches. There are rivers, streams, and lots of trees where the birds sing. There are windmills and a coal mine, and docks where visitors to the island arrive. The island also has lots and lots of railway lines. Who's that puffing down the track?
Thomas.
It's Thomas! Hello, Thomas! Hello, everybody! Welcome to the island of Sodor.
Thomas and the Really Brave Engines. Thomas and the Search for Fergus.